Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. How are you all this morning? We had some extra security checks this morning, so I do apologise for being a couple of moments late. We had to renew a lot of subscriptions. Unfortunately, you can't do that sometimes until it actually a security check just surprises you. It's just the way it works. Anyway, welcome everybody to the show. I apologise for being a couple of minutes late. If you've just tuned in, my name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning, normally spot on time, but today, due to security checks, a few moments late. Anyway, I'm here every single day, up to 10 hours a day for you, providing you with my real shares, my real positions, my real money, joined by investors and traders from around the world who equally share with you their live trades, their real positions. So if you wouldn't mind clicking subscribe and ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified of breaking news, and it happens all the time. This morning I posted in my premium service on my Discord channel what I just bought. I just bought for my Roth IRA $800 of Johnson & Johnson. It was in my pre-market. It was in my premium channel on Discord. I think it's like $2 a month if you want that service. But anyway, it's in there. That's what I posted this morning. I got a 1% match. So I got I put $800 in. I got a $8 from Robinhood. Thank you very much indeed. And I bought Johnson & Johnson. Why? Because tomorrow they're reporting, and staples like that, I'm expecting a 168, possibly up to $200 a share tomorrow. So that's why I bought all the cash I had over the weekend has gone in, and there you go. All right, let's get straight into our positions and look what's going on right now. Let me share with you the heat map. Let's have a quick look at that. First of all, here's my live position. You can see now I'm up again today. So we're up on the live position. We're up on the day. We're up now on the week. And we're also up on the month now. It's been fantastic. 3 months ago, we've got a way to go though, right? We've got 21%. But I'm very confident we're going to make that over the next 3 to 6 months. Year to date, up. Again, I reported it in the newsletter. Up consistently this year, which is very, very nice. So we've got a long way to go though, but nevertheless, we're up. Now, if you look into my Roth IRA, my position there, look, you go. For the very first time, I am green in the Roth IRA. That's been contributed by Virgin Orbit doing well today, but also J&J. You see my J&J, look, I was down 3%. I'm down now just 1%, which has pushed my Roth IRA up for the first time on the all position, which is great. So my entire value now, my entire lifetime wealth, I am rich by 38,230. There we go. There's my entire position, other than $1,500 in the bank. But also, you know, I've got my Bitcoin here on the ledger. That's going up. We've just had a little drop over the last few moments, though. We are expecting Bitcoin to go all the way down, though. Everyone's getting excited. The YouTubers telling you that Bitcoin's about to go to $1 million. It's making them $1 million watching the videos, but it's not. I don't believe it's the case. I think we've got another pull down before we have any major recovery. But anyway, nevertheless, I'm up 36%. Because I have been buying the dips all the way down. And the other thing, of course, we have is Ali Tizro's crypto challenge, which is my Coinbase, which is just showing $1,000. There's nothing else there to show you right now. It's just in cash and USD. We haven't bought anything yet. We're waiting to buy. And when we buy, you will see it. All right. Okay. So let's get back to the heat map, as I said. So what's looking good? It's all pretty, you know, a couple of things up. Couple of things down, but generally speaking, it's quite a greenish day, really. A lot of stuff neutral, but there you go. There's the heat map. Anyway, let's get back to the main trades, and let's see who's in the house. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Welcome to all of you. You're watching my YouTube channel on YouTube. Kind of obvious. If you actually want to, if you are a proper trader, a serious investor, most people on TikTok are scrolling through looking for naked ladies. But if you are actually an investor and a trader and you actually want to be part of our main investing channel, it's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Links in the profile, same name. Be very, very careful of all the scammers on TikTok. There are over 100 that pretend to be me. You know they're not me. 1, I never message you. 2, I never sell you anything. In fact, I do the opposite. I give you cash prizes all the time on my YouTube show. We do it today. If we get 100 likes on YouTube, I do it every day. And And also, I spell my name right. It's not Martyn Lucas with two S's or an I or a dot or something like that. So be very, very careful of the scammers on TikTok. There are over 100 pretending to be me. Cheers, everybody. Quick cup of tea. All right. Let's bring in all the comments right now and let's see who I've got with me. Welcome everybody on TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, Facebook, multiple websites, and of course, live stream a cafe as well today. I saw a wonderful artist this morning. Thanks for popping in. Made a video. One of our videos did really well yesterday. Did 500 views. There's naked ladies on TikTok. I'll be back later. Andrew Grady. Yes, there you go. All right, let me see who's with us right now. We've got 31 through the stream already. That's very good. We're starting today's show at 6,130 subscribers. All right, so we broke that 5,000 and very quickly became 6,000, and now we're heading towards 7. It's growing so quickly, so quickly. All right, there's 30 watching, 12 likes. Okay, here we go. Let's put a 1 minute on the clock. Let's get 30 likes. If we get 100 likes today, we're giving away a cash prize giveaway. And there's another subscriber. Awesome stuff. You ready? Okay, smash the like button. Thank you very much if you're doing it. Let me zoom in. We want 30 likes. If we get the 12, look, if we get that up to 100 today, we'll do a cash prize during the show, free for all, free to enter. Because I'm just nice. I don't know why I'm so nice. Why am I so nice? Why do I like giving my money away every day? I don't know. It just feels good, right? Okay, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's get to 30 likes. If we get 100 likes during the show, we'll give a cash prize away. There are 29 watching right now, and we've got 19 likes. We could get at least 20, right? There it is. Time's running out. Let's get the timer done. Blow the horn. There we go. Didn't quite get 20, but never mind. It's on the way. We're on the way. We've started the day. We've started Monday morning so far with 19 likes. All right, I can live with that. Okay, let's get off and running. Let's see who is in the show today and bring everyone's comments. How did that get down there? Ali's tip. How on earth? I've just seen something really kind of odd. How did that get there? Anyway, really weird. I had my crystal ball suddenly appear in my notes, and I can't even work out for the life of me how it got down there. Anyway, we're getting a lot of subscribers now, very, very quick. Let's bring everybody in. Octavio, good morning, everyone. Everyone who's a member here, we can celebrate your birthday. For those of you who don't know, I was voted as the World Piano Man by Sir Elton John. Here is the best live studio on YouTube. Let me give you a wave. How are you doing? If it's your birthday and you're a member, we will make you a video. A couple of days ago, I had a premiere with me singing with Sir Paul McCartney. Did everyone see it? I've got another new premiere coming out tonight. It's for the lonely and the cold. And a lot of people are at home alone this winter, cold, especially in England with the electric prices. So I've made a special video for you. Flutter Edits, good morning to you. Andrew Grimm, good morning. I think we've got some guests here this morning. Ryan Carlson, good morning. Mr. Chuck, good morning. Mike is keeping Twitch going. For those of you who don't know, keep another tab open on Twitch. The homepage is YouTube, but if you keep another tab open on Twitch, the money I make in subscribers I give away on the first Friday of the month. It's free to subscribe to me on Twitch using Amazon Prime. There you go. There is the free link there. Look, this is Twitch right now. If you go onto Twitch, we've got 13 subscribers. That's all. 1 in 13 chance. If you subscribe to me on Twitch, there it is, 13 up the top for free using Amazon Prime Gaming. The first Friday of the month, I give you the money I make. All right. Jason Brunt says, you're British. Yes, I am. This is my studio in Dallas, Texas, but I'm actually from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. Yes, indeed. England. Rock and roll. Cornwall. How are you, Jason? Where are you from? We've got a guest in the channel right now. Jason, put your city and country in, and everybody will welcome you into the show. All right. And consider becoming a member today. Our membership plan is, we know it is officially, Well, not officially, because you can't prove this, right? But we know it's the best membership on Twitch, but on YouTube. But what is official is we have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. That is live viewers who are members. 95% of our live viewers are members. Mr. Beast is about 8 to 9%, one of the biggest channels in the world. Anyway, there you go. Good morning. We got another guest here. Dominic Webb is here as well. Daddy Hassan, I was watching on TikTok. Hey, you come over from TikTok? Well, if you come over from TikTok, you could be in our cash prize giveaway today. If we just get 100 likes, we give away a cash prize live on the show. Welcome, Hassan. Thanks, my man. There we go. Where are you from, Hassan? Stephen Lewandowski, welcome, welcome. Hey, Jason from Florida. There you go. Everyone's getting welcomes in. So there you go. All right, let's get straight down into our trades this morning. I predict possibly a $200 share tomorrow for Johnson & Johnson. Now, I've got some news to share with you. Tonight, in the closing bell, who's going to be the first to comment this time? As you know, last week I did Dire Straits. I also sang with Sir Paul McCartney. This is my world premiere. Tonight is for The Cold and Lonely. And I will tell you now, the first person to comment on it, it goes live tonight in the closing bell, is Shad. Shad is the first person to comment. There are a lot of people alone right now, and I've made this video for them. Shad Stream was the first, so I'm going to say hi to you. Hi, mate. If you're a YouTuber, I promote your post to the top and it grows your channel. I always try to help everybody. All right, we've already got 4 likes on it, and it premieres tonight. There we go. The Cold and Alone. This gentleman here did a video with me, and very cold, very alone, and it tells the story. And I hope you'll tune in tonight for this world premiere. Share it on your social media, and we'll be there tonight for the premiere of Cold and Alone. All right, okay. Hi from Lebanon, Daddy Hassan. We've got lots of people from the Middle East. I actually performed all over the Middle East, in Jordan, Petra. I sung in the desert. I've done Syria. I've been to Iraq. I've been to Egypt, Israel. All those places. Anyway, Shin, bonus fish and send. How are you, mate? Brick Mark's here as well. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Right, let's go through all our positions this morning and welcome everybody in. Lots of new guests this morning. With all my members, that's the ones with badges. If you want to become a member, we've got some more cash giveaways coming up. You don't have to be a member for the cash giveaways, by the way. It's free. But we are offering some great tips of what I'm trading before I go live. Ali Tizro's crypto challenge as well. $1,000 to $10,000 live on the show. You'll see me do it. There's the invitation to join. But this is free. This is our Discord. If you want to chat to all our investors and traders, unlike any other channel, they share on the screen their real trades, their real positions, their real money, all of it. That's what we do here. There's the Discord. If anyone goes to the Discord during the show, I will upgrade you and give you full membership. This is the Discord channel right now. If you appear here in the welcome all screen, I will welcome you to the show. But for all YouTube members, let me open up the broadcast lounge now. You can call in and you can be live on the show. So if you want to call in and be live on the show, you can. All right? Okay, let me go for all my shares, and while I'm doing that, I'll let you hear from our members who've already called in. Here we go. Let me go through my stocks right now.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
That's Alex. Here's Bubble.
Welcome to the Day Trader, Martyn Lucas Channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join the Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
I've just noticed we've got somebody over on TikTok, one of my Luca badges, SB211259. Message me if you'd like me to make you another commercial video to put you on my homepage. But if you I've already followed you back, right? Because you're one of my Luca badge owners. But if you message me and ask me, I will make you another commercial. Put your channel on this screen here and invite my 31,000 followers to follow you. All right, and we are running a competition right now to see who our top fan on TikTok is. Basically, it's the top gifter. If you give a rose, whatever, and then by the end of the show, the person that's done the most will be followed back, and I'll tag you in my viral posts. This is what it looks like right now. This is TikTok right now, and if we get a little battle start, you will see it take off there on TikTok. But anyway, we've got one of our Luca badge owners in SB211259. I don't know why people don't use their real names. I'm just Martyn Lucas. That's my real name. Anyway, all right, let's get back to our shares. And while we're going for our positions, let's hear from some more of our traders. Okay, so here we go. The S&P, let's carry on. Here is Rob McLean from Scotland.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Mr. Chuck says, I'm not able to use Discord. Why is that? Have you not been upgraded? Mr. Chuck, you are a member. That might be what it is. I've not upgraded you yet. Are you on Discord? There is the link. Come into the welcome all screen and I'll see you. Then I can upgrade your account. There's no reason why you can't use Discord, of course. Everyone can use it. I don't know why. Maybe you can't. Maybe you mean you can't see all the private channels, and you can't unless I've upgraded you. So I'll wait for you in the welcome all screen. Once you come in, I will upgrade you. All right. Maybe you mean that. I don't know. Anyway, let me bring us up to date this morning with our first 10-second commercial break. Are you ready for the commercial break? Here's Paul B. As we do that.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. There you go. If you are a YouTube member, you can be in that space there, and you can actually have your commercial. We have a few sponsors now, and that's how you go in that spot. We have a reach now of 500,000 across all our platforms, so we are growing extremely quickly, and you can get a commercial break in that spot there. I do use my real name. It's Bill. Bill. S Bill. I don't. What do you mean S Bill? SB. I do use my real name. How can you say you use your real name? He says my name is S Bill, and his name on TikTok is SB211259. Who thinks SB21559 sounds like Bill? What's going on? What's going on? You're making me laugh this morning. One of my Luca badge owners, Stephen Bill. That makes sense. Well, why don't you change your name to Stephen Bill then, rather than SB211259? Be easier. Be so much easier for me, right? Anyway, I'm only having some fun. This is our TikToker we're talking to right now, and he's one of my Luca badge owners, and he supports my channel, and I love him for doing so. Absolutely great. And in return, he gets exclusive content and member-only chats coming up soon as well for you. Right, Virgin Galactic. Let's have a listen to more of our traders as we go through. What am I buying this morning? I bought $800 worth of $800 of Johnson & Johnson in my Roth IRA. I got a match, and you go into your settings for your profile and just change your name. That's how you do it. Anyway, what was I going to say, Rob? Yeah, I bought Johnson & Johnson and got a match on Robinhood Roth IRA. That's what I bought this morning. All right, so anyway, let's go through. Let's hear from Ali Tizro.
You should definitely join the day trader. Join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together, and Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
Stephen Lewandowski said, "Hi, Bill SB." Let me put that on the screen. Now we've got a gentleman in. Oh, he's changed it. He's done it, Richard. There we go. Look, he's done it. we've got a mate of mine over there, one of my Luca Badge owners in TikTok, and he's managed to change his name, Stephen Bill. So now he's called himself Richard. That's not confusing, is it? My name is Stephen Bill, but I call myself Richard. What's going on? I don't know how to do it. Well, you've done it. You've changed your name. You've changed your name now to Richard Stephen Bill. Here goes Bill. Look, Bill is about there you go. Bill, he's number one right now. He's our number one. Yeah, you're laughing, Richard. Stephen Bill, and I've changed my name to Richard. I mean, I might as well call myself Mickey Mouse. Does that make life easier for everybody? I ain't got a clue what's going on here. How do people get through a day? They don't know who they are. I wouldn't know who I was by the end of the day if I kept changing my name. I'd go, Leah, who am I? I'm not really sure who I am. Anyway, you're confusing me all. I'm going to ignore all the comments. I'm going to go through my traders for the moment because I want to go through my stocks and have a look. All right, here's Tom.
Welcome to the Day Trader. Tom from CNB Studios here.
Tesla.
The reason why I love Martyn and the channel is he's
Lucid.
always willing to help everyone out. Gives
Apple.
all of his time up dedicated to the programs, to
Amazon.
the shows. And if you want to know anything about trading or music, then
McDonald's.
Martyn's your man to go to.
Coca-Cola.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Is a
J&J.
Just wanted to say
Just bought some
the
more.
Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martyn's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello and join the family.
Here on Martyn Lucas Day Trading. Great show, great community. Loving the feels from a local man that is now not local, but soon to be probably local again at some point in his life. Just keep it going, keep getting rich, or at least watching your money and holding your money and saving it for the rainy day, which will come one day.
These are all my stocks. These are all my positions. This is what I've got here right now. And we're looking for the bargains. We're looking for stocks that are valuable, that make money, that are down. That's what we're looking for right now. We're not being highly speculative. The majority of my money is going into the top 500 companies on the S&P. I'm also buying the S&P, and there is some more speculative stocks amongst this, but most of the ones that are speculative have hardly any positions at all on them at the moment. Oh, Meta just dropped, so we might get another chance to get in Meta. We made money on Meta the first time round, but it's left us behind right now. Anyway, there is our world premiere tonight. I hope you can join me. Bill has left a message there. We've got 6 likes. This is for the cold and lonely tonight. I hope you'll share it on your social media. There are people all over the world now in the winter cold and with the electric, and people in Ukraine with no electricity. And people in England who can't afford the electricity. There is the world premiere tonight. I hope you saw my recent video with Sir Paul McCartney and all the others, but that's tonight. Cold and alone. I hope you will enjoy that one with me. BSV recovered well after the delisting news. It did. If I'd kept it, I would have been up now. I would have been actually on a wash rather than losing $200. I decided to sell it because I didn't like the fact it had been taken off Robinhood because I can't share it with you, and so the priority for me is integrity of my channel and not how much money I could make or not make. It was the right thing to do at the time. As it turned out, if I'd kept it, I'd have made more money for me, but I couldn't share with you, and I also couldn't recommend an asset that was being delisted due to potential corruption. I mean, how can I promote that? I mean, it's ridiculous, right? Anyway, Bill is number 1 right now. He's got no challengers on TikTok this morning. Let's see if Rob, Richard, Stephen, Bill, whatever his flipping name is, let's see if he can compete against Bill. There we go. So Richard, there you go. He calls himself Richard now. So what Bill's doing, he's not only tapping the screen, but he's also doing gifting, the little flowers, and you can become our top man. Anyway, so let's see if you can beat Bill today. He's doing well. Anyway, let's look at our positions. It's 8 o'clock. We're a little bit behind this morning on everything this morning because we opened late due to a security check on my portfolio. However, you know, it is what it is. I'm sorry about that this morning. We had a security check we had to check. So this Stephen Bill, this is Richard. Stephen Bill, he's in here. Look. Here he is. He's come over to YouTube. He's one of my members. He's one of my members as well. After all that confusion, he's one of my YouTube members. Oh, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. We got a battle on TikTok. Who is this? Tap Tap. Someone called Tap Tap has gone into the lead. Who is this person here? Tap Tap sending roses. Bill, you've just been knocked off. Oh, no, he's not. You're still number 2. You're still number 1, Bill. Tap Tap is now number 2. Number 2 top gifter. Now, whoever is our top gifter at the end of the show, I follow you back, tag you in my viral posts, and hopefully it'll get you more subscribers and followers. That's what we try to do. Try to promote you, okay? Okay? So Tap Tap, you are still you're still number 2, but look at this. Let me have a quick cup of tea. There's a war going on. There's an absolute war going on. That's quite funny. We'll come back in a minute. Tap Tap is still number 2. He's going, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm still number 2. Go, Bill. Anyway, we are right on the hour, so we are a bit behind. So let me just run a 10-second commercial break and bring everybody up to date this morning. Okay, here we go. Sorry about the slight delay today. Here we go. Back in 10 seconds from now. If you are a YouTube member and it's a sponsor level, you can sponsor this space. Yes, you can. And I'm back. All right. Excellent stuff. Okay. Thank you, Stephen Bill. Go, Bill. Go, Bill. It's gone a bit berserk, actually, if I'm honest with you, over on TikTok. Look at Bill. Bill has never been so determined. He's like, I can beat this. Don't you worry about this. I'm a war veteran. You got no chance. He's going. I love it. Anyway, let's look at our shares. What we're doing. We've got half an hour to go before the bell goes. The S&P 500 is up today. I'm now 1.76. I want to buy more on my main portfolio. My main brokerage account, I'm actually at 48%. And right now I want defensive stocks, recessionary stocks, stocks that can't go bankrupt because a lot of businesses are going to go bankrupt this year. Interest rates are going up, whether you like it or not. Your bullish stocks, it's going to be a tough year for everyone. So we are expecting some issues. So don't go full out on your high risk stocks. Virgin Galactic, I'm up now 26%. I've got buy orders around the $3, and I still think it can go back down there. So I'm ready to buy more. There's Virgin Orbit. It's had a nice rebound today. I'm up 7%. Now I've only got a small position on my brokerage account, but I've got a much bigger. I've got a bigger position on my Roth. My Roth, I've got 200, up 18%. That's nice. I'm leaving there for a long-term investment. I think Virgin Orbit, next 5 to 10 years, could be a serious company for my Roth, my pension. So that's why I'm leaving it there. It's not there yet, but in the future, perhaps. Rivian is doing well today. I'm still on a wash. I'm thinking of taking my money out of Rivian and putting it into Tesla. We're just about on a wash. Let's get a profit from it, and then let's do it. But anyway, I see a greater growth with Tesla than I do with Rivian, and I've got too much in Rivian right now. Richard is number 2 over there on TikTok again. He slipped into second place. I'm in welcome. Mr. Chuck. Mr. Chuck. Right, he sorted himself out. Over there on Discord. So we need to keep this. Sir Chuck, is that you on Discord? No, it sounds obvious, but we ask everyone because we do get scammers who try to manipulate and steal people's memberships, perks, and benefits. So, Mr. Chuck in YouTube, just say to me now, is that you? Just to confirm that is you. I can see you're a member on YouTube, and then I can upgrade you if that's you. I'm pretty sure it will be you, but we want to make sure. So I'm not going to do anything until I hear from you. Say, yes, that is me. Please confirm. No. That is not you. Sir Chuck, so that's not you. You're joking, right? I mean, you've got to be straight with me, because there are people who will pretend it's no... That isn't you. Sir Chuck, that's not you. Well, why did you say you're in Welcome All? That's the Welcome All channel. I don't get it. You said you're in the Welcome All channel, Mr. Chuck. Hang on a minute. You said you're in the Welcome All. This is the Welcome All, and you've gone in here. I mean, is that you? Mr. Chuck is going, Mr. Chuck. I mean, I don't know what to say. Is it... We're getting confused here. Is that you just wrote, I'm here? I know it says Mr. Chuck, it's the wrong name, but is that you? You're saying you're... Well, you're confusing everyone. What's going on? Yeah, everyone's confused now, going, what is he on about? Mr. Chuck, is that you? I mean, I'm assuming that's you. I can't, if you're saying it's not you, then I can't upgrade you. I mean, I can't, can I? I mean, that's, what can I do? I think it's him, but he's saying it's not. I'm confused. Does anyone know what's going on? What the bloody hell is going on this morning? Bloody hell, Chuck. Yeah, everyone's going, what's going on? I'm trying to upgrade you. I need to know it's you, and you're going no. And I'm 100% certain it's him. But if he says it's not him, I can't upgrade him, right? I mean, what can I do? Martin, would you kindly read my comment above? Need investing advice. Rob Brennan. Let me have a look. Rob Brennan. Post it again, Rob. Oh, go 10 times leverage in the Humpty Dumpty coin or Mickey Mouse coin. Meet Kevin said, the world is ending, so I want to get into something stable. I agree. That's exactly what you should do. That is financial advice. Go and buy Humpty Bonkty Bonkty Bink and go all in, leverage yourself, remortgage the house, because Meet Kevin gives great advice. Anyway, I'm very confused that Mr. Chuck is saying that's not him. Very, very, very strange. Can someone go into Discord, into Welcome All, and have a chat with Mr. Chuck? Thank you, Leah. Because everyone's he's very confused. He's made me very confused now as well. Anyway, we shall see what happens. It's very confusing today, isn't it? Anyway, thanks, Leah. Yes, indeed. Right. Mr. Chuck. I bet it's him. I bet we got a community. See, you got to understand, we get people from all over the world. It may be a communication. It may be he doesn't understand English very well. We just don't know, right? We don't know. He might not understand what I'm saying. We don't know. Anyway. Rivian. Tesla. I'm waiting to buy some cheap Tesla. Stephen Lewandowski's jumping in to try and help. Lucid. Arrival. Sorry, Apple. Beg your pardon. Arrival. Nothing like Apple. Nothing like Apple. Don't confuse it. What are you mainly invested at the moment, Martin? Looks like you have a lot of Apple and S&P. Yes. And Amazon and J&J and Coca-Cola. Absolutely. Solid stock. Martin, so should I sell my crypto even though I'm down a bit? I've sold all mine. Oh, hey, Sir Chuck, or Mr. Chuck, Stephen Lewandowski. The best person, Daddy Hassan, the best person to speak to is our crypto expert. And I say crypto expert, he shares honestly. We have a 1,000. Are you changing the spec? Yes, I will, if I know it's you. Mr. Chuck, I just need to know that is you. All I need to know, Mr. Chuck, is that you. Did you write, I am here? Is this you? I can change your name. Yes. Just tell me, is this you? Because people pretend to be you. And I want to make sure that this was you. We all know it's you, but I need you to confirm and say yes. And you said, no, it's not me. So because it is you. Fine. Right. Can everyone celebrate? Can everyone celebrate? Celebrate. Here we go. So Mr. Chuck, flipping it. That was exciting. Roles. Right. I'm going to give you a role. And I'm going to give you now YouTube member. There you go. You are a YouTube member. And we're going to change your nickname to Mr. Chuck. Oh my gosh. We got there in the end. Okay, Mr. Chuck, you are now a YouTube member. There you go, Mr. Chuck. We've upgraded you. So you can now see all the exclusive channels. There's the Martyn Lucas broadcast channel. You can now call in to the show. Also, you can see Ed Nevius' tips, Ali Tizro's tips. Remember, you can in there get 15% discount as a member now to Ali Tizro's tips. Go into there and you'll get that. Moose's tips. And you can also see all the exclusive channels that you couldn't see before. Right, we finally did it. That was a lot of fun. Hi, Mum, I'm on TV. Rob Brennan, if you want to be on the telly, go into the broadcast lounge and call in. Stop messing around in my welcome all screen. Actually call in. Flipping hi, Mum, I'm on the telly. You're not on the telly until you call in. Right, that was a bit of drama. Anyway, the battle's still going on with Bill. Richard's now number 2. Bill is number 1 again, my Luca badge owner. And he's just leveled up to level 11. Bill is my highest member. He's a Luca badge member on level 11. Bill is like the number 1 on TikTok. No one is even close to Bill, by the way. Just saying. Good morning, Shrewd Investing Bill. Hey, Dave. I sold everything. Everything. Bought crypto. It doubled. I sold it. Bought a drone. No more crypto. There you go. Afternoon, Bill. Most important investment you make, of course, is yourself. So it's why I build this YouTube channel. I go live 10 hours a day to build the best live community on YouTube. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. 95% of our live viewers are members. Now, we've got a few people here who aren't members today. Jason Brunt, Flutter Edits. We got, who else have we got? Bonus, Fish and Send. Any of you who become a member today, I will promote your YouTube channel if you are a YouTuber. But don't forget, as a member, you get access to all the exclusive content. Celebrate your birthdays, 20-minute fundraisers. We've raised over $1 million on my Martyn Lucas channel. Exclusive content, members-only content, only members can see. And by the way, these are some of the members-only videos that only members get to see. Behind the scenes, our parties that we do privately, all this stuff. Many, many perks and benefits. Plus, you get access to Discord and all the rest of it. Okay, 15 minutes to go. If we get 100 likes in the show, we will give away a cash prize today. All right, so we've got a 98 now through the stream. Very, very nice indeed. Wow, I wish I'd shown you that. 6,130 just went to 6,134 in like 1 second. I missed showing you it rolling round. That was a shame. That was quite a moment there. Anyway, let's have a little look on the channel. Right, we've got 41 watching, 28 likes. If we get to 100 likes by the end of the show, I'm giving away a cash prize. So, let's get the likes up. You ready? We've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. Here's a 1 minute on the clock. Let's get to 40 likes, and then we'll be 40% of the way there for our cash giveaway. You ready? Okay, let's zoom on in. We've got 28 likes. Let's get to 40 right now. 29. 29% the way to give away a cash prize. Free cash prize. All we need is to get to 100 likes. There are 39 watching, 31 likes. There it is. We've broken 30 now, 32. Can you give a cup away instead? No, I can't. I could, but I don't want to. Oh, Richard has become number 1. Richard is now number 1 top fan on TikTok. We've got 32 likes. We're getting there. We're not there yet, but anyway, we're getting there. I'm going to share with you right now our battle going on TikTok. And as you can see, Bill Richard has now become number one. He's just taken over. Bill was number one. Richard has now just become number one. He's got the number one gifter badge. Congratulations, Richard. You are now our top man. And by the end of the show, I will tag you in my viral posts and hopefully promote your channel. Bill's coming back in again going, I'm not having this. I'm not having this. I'm a war veteran. I'm a war veteran. You can't beat me. You can't beat me. I'm not having it. Anyway, interestingly, the Google layoffs will mean that their earnings forecast will be better because their payroll costs will be... Exactly. Google is a great company to own. I own it. I want to buy more. But at the moment, for me, because earnings tomorrow for J&J, I have bought J&J with my money I brought in this morning. The S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is going down. I'm waiting to buy more. I'm up 26%. I'm holding, but I want to get it cheaper. Virgin Orbit is also up today. Very nice indeed. Rivian is up. Tesla is up 1.63. Lucid is up but going down a little bit, 26%. I'm out of that pretty much. Apple is good. I'm down. I'm out of the money by 5%. Amazon, I'm out of the money by 2%. One of my top stocks to own. I love it. And great growth potential there coming down the line. So I'm holding a very big position for my portfolio anyway. It's 17%. We've got McDonald's. I've only got one at the moment. I made my money. Coca-Cola, I'm starting to add again. Got 10, and I've got another 10 on my Roth. Looking good. J&J, there was my top tip this morning. It was in my premium service on Discord. Before the market opened, I said I'm buying. I bought $800 worth of J&J this morning on my Roth IRA because I think it's going to go to $200 by the end of tomorrow, potentially with the earnings. I might be wrong, of course, but I think it's an opportunity now. And obviously, of course, as I said that, it went back down again, but that's fine. If I show you my brokerage position, it's there's my brokerage. As you can see, I bought in fact $1,000 of J&J. I was down 3.5%. I'm down just 1%. So I improved my average to 170. If it goes lower, I've still got $300 to spend on my Roth. I will buy some more. There you go. Google, I also want to get some more, but Google is good. Google is good, but I'm up 12% on it at the moment. I would like to get it to go lower. It's a 19 times earnings. Very, very nice. I think their earnings will be good. I know for a fact that YouTube and Google are making more money because they're paying me more money. The ad revenue is going up consistently, month in, month out. I keep telling people, even though the big YouTubers keep saying, I'm losing money, I've only got $1 million and no one's paying me money. It's not true at all. I can tell you it's going up. It goes up every single month for me, which means it goes up for them massively because they're massive channels and I'm just a small little channel. Bill is now back into number one spot. No, he's not. Richard's gone back into first place again. It's a battle between Richard and Bill. See, Richard, look, number one again. There you go. Look at that. Like times 40. Right, we're at 33 likes right now. 33 likes. If we get to 100 likes, we're giving a cash prize away. Let me bring in all our guests. Any tips for a senior in high school? Well, just watch what we're doing here. I mean, we're sharing all my trades, all my positions. I tell you what I'm buying. I'm not just, making it up. This is my real money, all my real money. Morning, Jason Asbury. I looked after a guy Friday night, big investor, over 2,500 just in SP, 2,500 shares or 2,500,000. You put a K at the end, so 2,500,000. What's that mean? Just in SP500, I told him about you, and he said he would check the channel when he's better. That's cool. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, Andrew Grady. I can't understand what you're saying, but it sounds good. Like times 40. You got this. Daddy Hassan, number 8. All right, we're at 40 watching now and 34 likes. Sorry, 250,000. Okay. The S&P 500 right now, it's a buy for me. because, the markets are going to shed off a lot of bankrupt companies this year. Get the best companies. Your money's safe. You're going to earn a dividend. We've had a year of down. I think it's a good time. I keep adding to it, at the end of the day. It's not exciting. People want excitement, of course. They don't want to buy the S&P 500. I just want to have a steady profit. Looks like Bill is trying to retake number one spot away from Richard. Richard is currently number one, and Bill is trying to take it away, as you can see, from Richard. Richard's going, you can't get me now. I did a nice big rows, and you're way behind. So Bill's going, I can't believe it. What's going on? Anyway, 8 minutes to go before the bell goes. Oh, hello. Something big just happened. I missed it. Someone just came in. Daddy Hassan went straight into the lead. Daddy Hassan came on and did something really big. I missed it. Daddy Hassan, do it again and I'll share it. He did something really big and just went, boom. I am number one. I'm from Lebanon, Middle East, and I just crushed it. Whatever you did then, do it again, and we'll share it on the channel. Ready? Go. I missed it. Daddy Hassan came in and went, I can beat... Oh my God, he's 21. Whatever Daddy Hassan did, he's just gone all the way to level 21. He is now... I don't know what you did, and at the end of the show I'll be able to check, but that's probably my biggest ever tip on TikTok. I have no idea what it was. I thank you for it. I will have a look at the end and see what that was, but whatever that was, it put him straight onto level 21. Bill was on 11, so it gives you an idea. I have no idea what he did. Anyway, I can't stay on the screen. We've got to get back to the stocks. If he does it again, I'll try and flash it up quickly. It's called hacking, George Semaine. No, it's not. He did a super gift. He did a... Oh, here he goes again, look. Someone sent some sunglasses. I missed it. Keep missing it. I just can't stay on that screen. I have to see when it pops up and come back to it. Anyway... Yeah. Whatever he did, anyway. Daddy Hassan is famous today on TikTok. Rivian's going down. Tesla, we're trying to buy some more Tesla. Lucid, we've got 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. Apple's going up. The bull market will start in the spring, early summer. We're not there yet. Everyone's getting a bit carried away. I'm buying the dips. I'm not buying stuff that's going up. That'd be foolhardy. I'm buying stuff that's going down. We've got earnings tomorrow. I can't wait for it. I'm very excited. Tomorrow morning, we are covering it. Walmart, perfect. I sold it right at the top. It's going all the way back down again. We're now down at 14% up. I sold it at 30% up. I want to buy it when it goes down again, which it will. Tesco, Next Extra Energy, Enphase. Bitcoin today up 0.15. Everyone keeps now telling me it's going to $1 million. Ridiculous, based upon no evidence whatsoever, but everybody's getting very excited. 5 minutes to go, less than 5 minutes to go. Daddy Hassan, there he is over on TikTok, is in 21 level, right at the top. Right, we got 34 likes. If we get 100 likes by the end of the show, and there's now 46 watching, we will give away a cash prize in the show. Daddy Hassan, I will now follow you back because I don't think anyone is going... If you're number one by the end of the show, I will follow you back and tag you in my viral post. But I actually think, because you're so far ahead, I'm going to follow you now. Oh, hang on. He's got competition. He's got competition from... It's Hassan. Oh, it's the same person. Let me follow you back. Let me follow you back. Here we go. I'm going to follow you back. There we go. We are friends now. I've just followed you back. and I will tag you in my viral post. Look what's going on YouTube, on TikTok. Right, here we go. The portfolio is rising with 3 minutes to go. We are getting ready. I've just followed you back. Now I will tag you in my viral post to hopefully promote your channel. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic, we're trying to get a discount. Virgin Orbit's doing well. Rivian is going up. We've got 3 minutes to go. Tesla, getting very exciting now. Let's go over to our main position. We've got... let me show you where we are right now on the heat map. Here's my overall position. Let's go. We've got 3 minutes to go. The portfolio is coming up. My overall position, my total wealth now is 38,206. We broke that target. Excellent stuff. Good morning to Tilray and Lucid. Said Mohammed Kahine. Here we go. Here's the heat map. It's pretty muted across the board. Mohammed, we've got a friend from the Middle East this morning. You might know him, I don't know. He's called Daddy Hassan. He's from the Lebanon. He's just become our #1 fan on TikTok. I've just followed him back because he's our #1. He's in level 21. And he's given us our biggest ever tip on TikTok. And he's now our #1 fan on level 21. He's called Daddy Hassan from the Lebanon. Mohammed Kahine is here, one of our biggest investors. He's actually also from the Middle East. And he's big into Tilray and Lucid. Here's our Lucid position. A very small position at the moment. Tilray. Don't forget, one of our members' perks, if you want me to buy a stock, I will. Okay, we're running out of time. We've got 38 watching, 39 likes. Let's get to 40 likes in 1 minute. Let's get ready. We've got 1.5 minutes to go before the bell goes. It's exciting. Okay, let's go. Let's get to 40 likes in the next few seconds. If we get to 50 likes during the show, we will give away a cash prize. There we go. 39 likes. Smash the like button. 1 minute, 30 seconds to go. Let's get to at least 45 likes in the next few seconds. If we get to 100, we're giving a cash prize away live in the show. There's 40. We are now 40% the way to our target of 100. Smash the like button. Okay, let's get ready to go with our position. Here we go. It's looking like another green day. We might get a drop on the bell though. Let's get ready. And if you just joined us, here we go. 1 minute to go. 1 minute on the clock. If you were with me a couple of nights ago, you saw me sing with Sir Paul McCartney on my premiere. Tonight, we've got another world premiere. Here it is. It goes live in the closing bell tonight. It's for all the cold and lonely. Here it is. It's called Cold and Alone. We've already got people liking the video. There it is. This gentleman here is cold and alone, and I made a video and telling the story. Okay, the world premiere is in the chat. Join us for the closing bell tonight. All right, 30 seconds to go. We got 41 likes. We got TikTok exploding. Bill is now level 12. He's catching up with Daddy Hassan from the Lebanon. Yay! Daddy Hassan loves the fact I followed him back. He's just said that. S&P 500. Here we go. A few seconds to go, and it is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The markets are now open. We'll get a bit of movement on the bell. Here it comes. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Any second now, you'll see some movement. It's not going to stay there. There'll be something. Any second now. We should get something move. It'll be the first time ever if it doesn't move. It always does something. Here we go. It's okay. We're ticking down. Where's it going to go? Let's go through our stocks. The here we go. There we go. Starting to move now. There she goes. There she goes. Starting to go down a little bit. Right. The S&P is up 0.14. Virgin Galactic is now 521. I'm up 28% on Virgin Galactic. Waiting to buy it back at $3, which I think it will go. It's not ready yet. People are overcooking it. There's no news yet on the flights. Everyone's making up stories. It's not the case. I speak to Virgin Galactic all the time. Rivian is going up. I've got a small position, but we like it. Tesla, it's going down. We've got the earnings tomorrow morning for J&J. There you go. Tomorrow morning, I will be there. Prior to the show, before the opening bell, there is J&J tomorrow morning. Join me for the earnings. There she goes. I told you it would go down, and it has done exactly what I anticipated. There we go. Virgin Galactic is going down, like we said. Now, back to my J&J. That's held up. There you go. That was my top tip this morning. I bought J&J. I bought $800 worth of J&J. I think there's a potential for $200 a stock tomorrow on the earnings. Okay, it's a good stock. It makes money. It's got history. It's in the top 500. It's not going anywhere. We've got the earnings tomorrow. It's inflationary proof, recession proof as much as any stock can be. Pays a dividend, and I bought those. You can see $1,000 now. I was down 3%. I'm now down 0.94. And as you can see, the markets are going down, but J&J is holding up. That was my top tip this morning, and I was spot on with it. You're welcome. That was in my premium service on Discord. If you want to know what I'm doing before I buy it, before I go on air, but when I wake up at 6 in the morning on the pre-market, I post it there first. Okay. Walmart, Tesco, Next Extra Energy, Enphase. We're now at 40 likes. If we get 100 likes, we're going to give a cash prize giveaway. Let's have a look at Tilray. It's up today, 10%. I still want to get it cheaper. Robinhood. I want to buy back more. If I can. SoFi. I'm up 24%. I'm out of the stock. IonQ. I'm out of the stock. Canoe. I'm out of the stock. Ford up today, 0.77. Rio Tinto up 0.23. Meta. Meta's a great value stock right now. Let's go, says Tio Roll. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Nice. I'm from Lebanon too. You're from Lebanon too. Mohammed Kahin, we've got one of your friends then from Lebanon. He's called Daddy Hassan. He's the #1 fan on TikTok. He's given us our highest tip, so to thank him for that, I followed him back, and I will tag him in my viral posts. There he is. He's called Daddy Hassan. He's level 21 on day 1. He's gone straight in. Daddy Hassan, if you see the little star up here, click the little star and become a subscriber. Then I record a video and put your channel on this screen. See the little star? Click the star and become a subscriber. You get exclusive content as a TikTok subscriber. You get the Luca badge, and there you go. Foxnit is in the house. Hi, everyone. Welcome, Foxnit. How are you this morning? Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right. We had that little drop this morning when it started, but it's returning a little bit. Virgin Galactic's going back up again. Virgin Orbit's going down. But it's still up. Rivian doing well. I'm up now on Rivian. We're having a nice little bounce now on Rivian. Now we've got some earnings coming up. We're covering them all live. We have the earnings for tomorrow. We have J&J. After hours, we have Microsoft. We have all the earnings coming up. We have Tesla. We're covering Tesla. We're covering all the major earnings live. Listening in to the official earnings, and it's going to be very exciting. They're always very, very big shows, especially Tesla. Virgin Galactic is up 0.1 at the moment. I want to buy it cheaper. I've got a reasonable position, but I'd like to get 2,000 shares of it. Virgin Orbit going up. Rivian. I'm now in the money for the first time on Rivian. That's a nice little pump. Well, there we go. 3%. Up 3% now. 3.17. I might put a stop trail loss here and take my money back out of Rivian. Or keep it long term. What do you think? I'm up on it. I'd like... Ali Tizro is here. We were just talking about you a minute ago. We had some guys asking about crypto, asking about your project this morning. Ali Tizro, welcome to you. Here he is. Who was it who was asking about Bitcoin? What should I do? Should I sell it? Here is our crypto guy, Ali Tizro. You can speak to him 24/7. Metaphorically, through Discord. He does sleep sometimes. If you want to speak to Ali Tizro, you can. Anyway, lovely to have Ali Tizro here, the home of the 1,000 to 10,000 or 7,000 to 100,000 crypto challenge. Took along on XRP yesterday. Can we look at XRP? Yes, we can, Ali Tizro. We can look at XRP for you. I can only show that on. In fact, I can show it on Robinhood. Just can't buy it on Robinhood, of course. And we can't show it on Discord. What do you call it? Coinbase either, right? So anyway, here we go. This is Ripple XRP up 3.39. Daddy Hassan. Daddy Hassan. Well, this is the home of the 1,000 to 10,000 crypto challenge, where we are doing a crypto challenge live with our real money in front of you. And you might want to be part of it. It's a bit of fun. There is Ripple this morning, XRP. So let me share with you exactly what we're talking about. So Daddy Hassan, Rivian is now up, doing very nicely with Rivian. I like where that's going. Let me very quickly tell you about what we're doing. So one of our sponsors has set down a challenge for me. But unlike other YouTubers, I don't just take money for sponsors. I only have sponsors and that projects I can get involved with myself, with my real money. My real money. So Ali is our crypto guy, and he set down a challenge. He said, Martyn, look, if I give you $500 as a gift, this is it right now, will you match it for our crypto challenge? And I will do all the tech charts for you, and the analysis, tell you what to buy, when to sell it. And he's had a lot of success in this field. So I said, okay. So he's a sponsor of our channel. He pays $99 a month to sponsor our channel. And he also gave me $500 to buy crypto. I matched it. There's my $1,000. Now, right now, it all sits in USD and cash. We're not buying anything right now. It just sits there. And when Ali tells me I'm going to buy it live on the show, and he says we're going to get 1,000 to 10,000, he's actually doing the same, but he's doing 7,000 to 100,000 live on the show. If you want to be part of all that and you want to see all the charts that he's doing, all the details, what he's buying before he tells me, you know, he's got a premium service on his Discord server. So you can access Ali's Discord server directly and go to him. But if you are a YouTube member of mine, you get a 15% discount to the server. Here is his server if you want to go directly to him. But I, of course, would recommend that you become a YouTube member of mine. Let me give you the membership. You get all the perks and benefits you get with me, plus you get a 15% discount to his server. So here is my Discord, which will give you the teaser of what he does. There is my Discord server right there. And if you go to Ali Tizro's Tips, which I will share with you right now, you won't see this until you are a YouTube member. But here it is on our server. Ali Tizro's Tips. In there is his information and the discount. So what I can show you is I can give you a little taster of Ali Tizro's Tips. A minute. Let me give it to you. Just 1 second. Rivian's doing very well, by the way. Let me go into Ali Tizro's Tips and this Tease channel. This is Ali Tizro's Tease channel. And here we go. There you go. This is Ali Tizro's Tease channel on his server. This is his actual server. And he shares, he's blacked some of this out so you can't see everything that's going on. But it's a premium service. But through my Discord channel, you will get a 15% discount. But you can see all the charts, the analysis that he's doing. He does all this for you and helps you set all this up. Anyway, I've got some exciting news now. I'm going back to Rivian. It's doing very well indeed. Look, Rivian, I'm setting a stop trail order. I am going to set a stop trail order on this right now. So let me come back over to Rivian, take some profit. I'm doing well. I want to use this money to go into Tesla. So what we're going to do right now is Rivian is going straight up. Let me see what else is moving. The overall portfolio is doing well. I was going to try the crypto challenge, but went out on my own, sold all my regular bill. I have 450 to lay with. So why don't you join his service? It's a phenomenal idea, Bill. Remember, you can do it with $100. You haven't got to do it with 1,000. You can do it with any multiple. Just follow the tips. He's going to tell you exactly what to do. I think there's more potential in Tesla. Absolutely. So here we go. I've got profit now on Virgin Galactic's doing well. Let's have a look. The overall market's Virgin Orbit. Rivian is really accelerating. Tesla's going up. Lucid, all the EV stocks are going up. Apple. So it's a general pump right now on the EV sector. Coca-Cola, J&J, holding where I bought this morning. Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Enphase. All right, let me have a look at Rivian now. Okay. Does anyone know why Rivian is going up this morning? Cuts price target to two electric EV vehicles. Cuts price target, so that shouldn't be bringing it down. We've got the February 28th. We've got a week. Right, it's growing. It's going into the earnings. It's going into the earnings. That's why it's going up. Right, Rivian is doing really well. I'm going to sell some Rivian right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell Rivian. We're going to sell Rivian. That's very nice indeed. A trailing stop order. Sell Rivian. Trading stop order. And I'm now up 5%. Right? It's more about taking cash out and having money to invest on other things right now. So we're going to do a percentage. If it drops a percent, it'll sell. I've got 44 shares. I don't want to sell all of it because you never know. It might be going further up. I've got 20. Let me sell 22 shares. So it will sell at 17.65. Not a great position. Good for the day. There we go. Review the order. So, sell Rivian. Percentage. Sell Rivian. Stop trading order. Percentage. 1%. Shares 22. It will sell at 17.33. 17.35. I've got 2. Review. When it drops a percent, I will be done. We're pumping straight up right now. It's going straight up. It's parabolic. Rivian not tossed into oblivion. What does that mean? TO roll. So review the order. So sell Rivian. 1% stop trail loss. When it drops 1%, I will be out. Right now it's 17.34. So I'm making a good profit on it. I'm only going to be selling half of my position in case for some reason this continues all day long. Rivian and Lucid don't sell. They're long-term good stocks. No, I want to take some money to put in Lucid. To put into Tesla. I have a reason. It's not just I want to sell it, for the sake of it. I want to bank some profits. Never wrong to take profits. And getting a pump like that is a very good idea in my book. 1 week. There you go. We might get a resistance there. Look, it's coming up to resistance point. Other than that, let's do it. Let's set a stop trail loss and sell. Order placed. There we go. Now then, it's placed. Done. Let's watch. Are you confident Rivian will be around in 10 years, or will Tesla be more likely to be around? I believe Tesla is more likely to be around. I want to bank some profits. This year, we're about making profits. Last year, we're about losing money. Now we're about making profits. And I don't care if I don't catch the top. I don't care if I don't catch the bottom. What's important is making profits and rising consistently. I don't need to time the market and be the smartest guy and be the best trader in the world. There's no awards for becoming the best trader. You know, it's not about that. It's just about making money and, you know, whatever. I'm not trying to beat anyone. Right, you ready? Watching Rivian now. We'll watch Rivian closely. We've just set a stop trail loss of 1%. So at the moment, it says here it's going to sell at 1733. 1733 it will sell. And I will have a small profit. There we go. Here she goes. And she sold. She sold. I took a 1% stop trail loss and she sold. So I sold half my position and I banked my profits. Remember, I'm not married to the stock. I'm not like, you know, sponsored by anybody. I just want to grow my portfolio. Now, I don't care if it now goes to $20. Doesn't matter. I've still got 22. If it carries on going, that's great. That's great. But if you get a pump on a stock of 8%, you've got to consider taking some money off the table because that is a really good pump. We are in a bear market. Interest rates are going up. The borrowing for Rivian is going to go up. They lose money on their cars. Fact, they don't make any money. So at the end of the day, Rivian, great. Yeah, I get the technology. I get all the rest of it. However, you know, they are losing money and their interest is going up. Now, it doesn't matter to me it goes up because I've still got 22 shares of it. Doesn't matter. I took some profits. Now, if I go back to my buying power, you will see once again, I now have some money. There we go. I took a profit. I made a profit. And I've got $1,150 in my bank, ready to buy some more. And don't forget, I earn 4% interest on my uninvested cash. So I'm earning 4% by just holding it, and that is very nice. Now, what we want to see now, what I'd like to see to validate, if you like, you should never look backwards. But what I should now look to do is validate my my position by seeing Rivian go all the way back down again and then buying it back in again. That would be the perfect scenario. Anyway, there you go. That's how we made money on Rivian. So if you've enjoyed this video, click subscribe, ring the bell, and let's make some more money again in a minute. Take care of yourselves and each other. That'll go out as a little video later on, how I made some money on Rivian. 1 hour 10. 1 hour 10. 1 hour 10 Riv. Okay, now then, let's have a look. So now, what has dropped? Portfolio is looking nice. The S&P is going up. Great. I've got 48% of my money in there. That's wonderful to see. Virgin Galactic, waiting for it to go back down again. Virgin Orbit is going up. Nice. Rivian is just hovering around. That pump has slowed down and stopped. So maybe it will drop in a minute. I think it was the right thing to do. I got out of Rivian and bought Lucid following the poll we did last week. Very nice. Can't wait for Apple to introduce their own crypto wallet in their wallet app. They have been hiring for this for 2 years now. Right, Rivian is carried on going. That's why I'm still in the stock. I sold half my position, but Tesla. Now then, Tesla's doing a bit of a pump now. All the EV space is. Lucid up, not worth selling. I know I'm at 32%. That's great, but I have nothing in there at the moment, so it's not even worth it at the moment. Just leave it alone. Apple, I'm out of the money still. Amazon, I've got Amazon now. My all-time low is 99. My Amazon is 99 and 100. I could lower my average now. It's 97. My all-time low is I bought it at 84. So it's a long way from my lowest position, but I could still lower my average by buying Amazon. I got a lot of growth potential in Amazon. Also, I'd like to get McDonald's, but it's too expensive. Coca-Cola, I'd like to add to that, but that's rising today. We want something that's going down right now. J&J. J&J on my Roth. I can't buy it on my Roth. You have to bring in new money. But let me go to my brokerage account. I'm still up on it. I could buy some more. I'm expecting potential of $200 tomorrow with the earnings. So I'd like to buy more of J&J. If it continues to go down, let me watch it. Google. I also want Google, but that's pumping today. So I don't want to buy that yet. Microsoft, that's also up. Walmart, not the right time to buy it. Tesco, Next Extra Energy. It pays a dividend. I like this one. 83. It's 81. It's 81. My all-time low for that was 83. This is around this is my lowest position, right? Next Extra Energy. I like this. When have we got earnings for this one? January 25th. Pre-market tomorrow, but we're doing J&J. We can't do both. It does make money, and the earnings dramatically drop. So the estimation, so we could have a nice bounce tomorrow on this one. This also gives a decent dividend as well. Down 2.53. Let's have a quick look at it. Yes, I like it. Going into earnings. Yes. Look, it's on a dip. I like Next Extra Energy, so let's, we're down, we are rising, so buy, limit order, 82, let's just put 82, my average 83, 82, and I've got 600 available, so let's buy what? 10, no, 5, it's, I'm just catching it starting to move. I'd like to see it just down a little bit. 5, Next Extra Energy, good for the day, 410, so I've got a dividend on it, and is it making money yet? Yes, it is. It is making money, and we've got the earnings coming up tomorrow morning. So good for the day. 410. Review the order. 82. I'm going to catch it quick. 5. Buy. Okay. Good. Okay. Very nice indeed. My portfolio is now at 1%. So I took my profits from Rivian. And I bought Next Extra Energy, and we've got the earnings tomorrow morning. So estimations have dropped like all the companies, so they could beat this, and they are consistently beating earnings at a higher level. So I feel good about that. I like it as well because it pays a decent dividend as well. It's a growth stock with a dividend, so you got a bit of both. I like it. If we break 25, good chance for it to double. What is that? What are you looking at? What was the question there? Had a look at the graph. If we break 25, good chance for it to double, 0.25. What is that? What was you talking about there? I'm not sure what Ali was talking about. I missed it. Anyway, so we've lowered our average now. We're down 0.74. I want to be in energy. I want to be in solar energy. That's increased my position. So let me go back now to my main portfolio. We're up now 0.98. I'm happy with that. And let me do a quick commercial break a second. Bring everybody up to date. If we get 100 likes, we're giving a cash prize away. And we're going to speak to our sponsor in a few moments. The Discord lounge is open. If anybody wants to call in. Looking good. Looking good. Over on TikTok, what's happening over there? We've got a good audience. Nearly 7,000 likes. We've got a new top gifter this morning. There's my portfolio. Looking very nice indeed. I've still got some cash in hand. I bought Next Extra Energy. I like it. VU is all looking very healthy. What did Rivian do? Kept on going. Let me go look at the heat map. There's my Coinbase position. We'll come on to that in a moment with Ali Tizro. Over on TikTok, we've got Daddy Hassan is still the number one from the Lebanon. Lebanon is winning today. Lebanon is winning. Bill is number 2. And Hassan is, look, you can see level 21 top gifter all the way from Lebanon today. And the heat map, let's see what's going on the heat map today. Amazon is going down. Apple is up. Microsoft is up. There you go. You can see, if I zoom in, and you can see exactly what's moving. Amazon is presenting an opportunity. Tesla, the EV sector is up today. We see that across the board. Let's come back to the main position. Let me check my overall position now on my Roth. My Roth IRA has just dipped down below $6 down. That's because J&J is just hovering down at the moment. You see it's gone down a bit. Oh, J&J is presenting a discount. J&J is presenting a discount. I want it because tomorrow, 38,004. So we're still holding up, but J&J for tomorrow's... Oh, here we go. Right. Oh, J&J. Right, come back to this. This is good. It's gone to an all-time low for me, and tomorrow they report prior to the bell, so I expect this potentially be a $200 stock tomorrow. So buy J&J, limit order 16820. Whoops, 168 buy 0.2. Shares, what are we now? 16841. 168. I've got my Roth. Buy limit order 16820. It's going down. We're seeing it go down. 167. It's going down and down and down. We like it. We like it. We like it. I've got 6 shares of it now. So if I buy, I've got $300 left. 336, 334. Whoop, it's getting cheaper and cheaper. 336. I've got 334. Let it go a bit cheaper, and I'll be able to do it. 168. 168 now. 168. 336. $168.20. Let me just put that in there. Is it going to come back in a moment? 168.20. Let's get one in. The average is 170. Buy. Okay. Okay. Nice. 166. Okay, cool. I like that. I like it. I like it for the earnings tomorrow morning. There we go. Back up again. I've got 7 shares now. It pays a decent dividend. This is my long-term investing in my Roth. And looks like I caught the bottom. There you go. Look at that. That was good. That was good. because that earnings tomorrow, in my opinion, is looking good. I could see us hitting $200 a share tomorrow in J&J. So anyway, I've got a very nice position now on my Roth. It makes up 39% of my portfolio. I want to buy the S&P 500, start buying that when I got some more money. But at the moment, J&J is presenting me with such the best opportunity, knowing that tomorrow is the earnings and knowing that it's pretty recessionary and inflationary proof. And I think it's going to do very well. It makes money, consistently makes money. We've got a lower expectation as well, which is always good. So I think we will potentially beat tomorrow's earnings. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Down just 1% now. That should put my Roth IRA, if I check it, my Roth should now just about be turning green. Yeah, I'm $5 away. $5 away from my Roth, which is now 3,174. $5 away from turning green. If we get a little bit of a bounce now with J&J, that should turn green. We were green for the first time this morning. And if we look at it, you can see, there you go. This is my Roth. I've earned 45%, $31 of free money, 3,000 until maxed out. So I'm doing very well. I'm on schedule to max it out by April. So very good. Okay, back to the main position. Going up. Let's go back now to Rivian. And we got a guest. Hello from Turkey. Ozay. Would everyone please welcome Ozay? I love Turkey. I played in Istanbul. And I love Turkey. I did a cruise from Croatia and went along the Mediterranean and popped into Turkey. Wonderful country. Where they filmed Game of Thrones, by the way, in Croatia. But very nice. There we go. J&J, I bought the dip. That should now put my Roth IRA in the green. Yeah, $2 away. Great dividend. The dividend alone will give me will turn it green. Long-term position, absolutely. A company, 200 years old. You're not going to sell that down, right? Just hold it forever. Very, very good. Right then. I like it. Looks like I bought the dip. I tried to buy two. I was $1 short. I could have gone half a share, but that's okay. Why not keep some cash on hand? Anyway, we're up now. We're up now 1% overall. The S&P is up. I'm not buying anything that pumps. I'm buying everything that drops. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Now you can see it bounced off that. Let's see if it bounces off that position again. That is 1773. I took my profit. I sold half of my shares of Rivian. I took some money out, and I got all excited about that, and I missed my commercial break. So we got a commercial break now for our sponsor, but we also need to bring everybody up to date. Let's see how many, 165 through the stream. Very nice indeed. Let me just see from Jerry has texted me for swimming. Today, yes, mate. Yes, mate. There you go. Yes, mate. Good. I'm going water aerobics in 20 minutes. So my mates just text me. He's 80 years of age. And he's fitter than me. Anyway, there we go. So, looking good there. Let me get everybody up to date. Green room, I can give a quick view on the markets. Ali Tizro is in the green room. That's perfect then, Ali Tizro, because we'll mention you right now. He's in the green room. Let's bring him in. And looks like we've got some screens here. Ali Tizro is sharing some screens with me. So let me bring Ali Tizro into the chat. Let me just bring everybody up to date one moment. Here we go with a quick 10-second commercial break, and we'll bring in Ali Tizro and up to date on the markets. Looking very nice indeed. See you back in 10 minutes. 10 seconds, and we're going to have Ali Tizro live on the show sharing some great information. So here we go. Skip the ad, come right back. Here we go. If you are a YouTube sponsor, you can be in this position, in this blank space right now, like Ali Tizro, our sponsor. So let me share on the screen. Ali is one of our sponsors. This is his Discord channel, growing nicely now. 31 members. Fantastic. In fact, because we've got Ali Tizro in the chat right now, we'll go right over to him into Discord now and actually bring him in the into the show. So Ali is, let me unmute the channel. And Ali, you are live on the show. How are you this morning?
I'm very good, thanks. How are you doing today?
I'm doing all right. Let me just bring up that watch stream. I presume I can bring this up, can I? Yes, I can.
Yeah.
Look at that, sharing some charts. Go through it, Ali.
So I thought I'd just provide my own perspective on the markets in terms of charts. Firstly, we've got the S&P. I think everyone recently has been very bearish, and when everyone's bearish, there seems the markets like to punish them, and we are seeing a potential breakout out of this over year long trend line. We are just slightly breaking it, so we'll watch this closely, see if we've got a breakout can occur. We've got a descending broadening wedge with a partial decline, and when we see a partial decline, it's a 60% chance of a breakout. So we might see this rally continue, and that's in terms of the S&P. If we look at Bitcoin, the reason we're not buying is not because I don't think we're going to have a pump now. In fact, I do actually think there's a bit more upside left. Is because we want to buy lower. We don't want to keep trading in and out of this portfolio. We want it to be a long-term portfolio. So I know everyone has their own crypto bags, so there's nothing wrong with keeping your own bags. But for this specific portfolio we're doing, which is on my Discord and Martyn's following, is we're not buying it. However, I just want to say that we have seen, this is the Bitcoin chart, we have seen a breakout, and the next level is that 28,000. We do have a gap there on the CME, on the futures. So I can see us continuing going up. Some may say the RSI is a bit overbought, but Bitcoin has a tendency of being overbought for a long time. When it pumps, it goes overbought and it stays overbought. So I've got my own bag of crypto. You've got your own Bitcoin. I'm sure everyone has their own bags of crypto still. So we might see a nice pump on Bitcoin. We might even see another 20% upside. If I show you the Bitcoin dominance, which is how much of the market is currently Bitcoin, that shows a different story. We can see we seem to have bottomed on the Bitcoin dominance over here, and now we're heading higher. So Bitcoin is now leading the market again. It's got 44% of the markets in Bitcoin. We can see it's a very nice pattern here. It's more of a Wyckoff distribution, if people know what that means. We'll see a high Bitcoin dominance probably head higher to 48% and maybe even higher after that. This is good for the altcoins because when Bitcoin dominance goes up, a lot of money is going back into Bitcoin, which allows Bitcoin dominance to fall further when we want to make some more money out of the altcoins. All the other altcoins which are on the Discord, which Martyn will be buying, which I will be buying. So we like to see this going up, and it presents an opportunity for the altcoins. Bitcoin dominance can still go up, whether the market goes up or down. If Bitcoin leads the market, Bitcoin dominance will go up, and even if Bitcoin drops less than the altcoins, Bitcoin dominance will carry on going up. So that's a good thing to look for. And the total market cap of the whole crypto sector is nearly approaching $1 trillion again, which is nice to see. We bottomed out exactly at the highs of 2017, so it's a perfect place for a pump. So we'll see that head back above $1 trillion probably, and we'll then watch the market, see if we get a pull back, and then we'll see when we can deploy some money. And this is gold. I know there's a lot of people that like gold. Gold has gone on a tremendous rally, hitting some resistance now, but I don't see any reason why we can't break and go further up. So even in this bear market, I'm not saying that the bear market's finished. I'm just saying that we can see a rally to get all the shorters out of the market, and then we might see we'll see how earnings go. We might see a big dump, but for now, I am feeling a bit bullish about the markets. And if I just show you one last chart, probably my favorite coin, which is XRP, that's had a nice. If we go on the weekly. we can see it's broken above that 2017 high, and we've seen a confirmed breakout. XRP is up 4% on the day, and it's looking really nice on the chart. We've seen a double bottom, and we might see a nice pump. So that's my perspective on the markets. If you want any chart analysis, you can join my Discord, send me requests. You can follow our portfolio. And I thought I'd come on and show a couple of charts to the people watching.
Ali, that was really good, insightful information. Thank you for sharing that information. Always great. And as you know, Ali, Tizro is one of my sponsors, but we select sponsors for our channel. It's not just I take money for nonsense. I actually, with Ali, we have content provided. Great tech analysis here and discussion and insight into the markets from his perspective. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just our opinion. But what you are getting here is what we are doing with our real shares and our real money. Now, if you like this and you think I would like to be involved in the challenge, so what happened was Ali said to me, look, I would love to be a sponsor to your channel and provide content which I think your audience will love. And so far the response to Ali's contribution is very positive and optimistic. So thank you very much for that, Ali. But also he what he did, and let me share on the screen with you right now. He made a challenge to me, and he gave me $500 as a gift to invest in crypto, and here it is right now. And I matched it with $500. And as Ali said, even though Bitcoin's going up, we haven't actually bought any in our challenge right now. It's just being held in USD and being held in cash. And Ali's going to give me the precise crypto asset to buy at the precise moment, the precise time, and I will buy it. And the challenge is this portfolio will go from 1,000 to 10,000, or you can do anywhere in between. You might say, well, I've only got $100. That's fine. You can still do it exactly the same, because the assets will be the same and the percentages will be the same. Just downgrade it for your for what you're able to invest. But if you want any of that at all, if you look below all of my videos, there is Ali's link to his server. Now, if you want to go to Ali's server, I'll put that right now in the chat. We're making this video during a live show, so this is happening during a live show. So in the live chat now, there's Ali's server where you can get all this information. However, strongly recommend you could go to my server, and if you are a YouTube member, you can see a teaser of Ali Tizro's server and get a 15% lifetime discount. All our members get the very, very best deals, okay? But if you don't want to be a member of mine and think, no, I'd rather go direct, then you can. You've got the link below the video and also in the chat right now. So that's what we're going to do. There's my challenge, and hopefully you will see me successful. If not, you will see it live on the screen. This is not manipulating, pumping, dumping. This is my real money, my real positions, and we're going to invest live on the show in front of you. I see Ali's got some more interesting charts. Let me quickly go back over to Ali again. What are you showing now, Ali? Hang on a minute, we've just got a slight...
I'm just going to change.
We had a slight interruption of audio, so I'll introduce that again and edit that video out. Ali, I see you're sharing a chart on the screen, so what are you sharing now?
I'm just sharing my my live position on my 7K to 100K portfolio, just so we're all transparent. That's what I have. That's my real money. That's my ledger. That's what I'm showing now. And
does anyone do this on any? Does anyone share? I mean, I spend a lot of time researching YouTube. It's my full-time occupation, and I've not found any other channel that will share with you their actual money, their actual trades in this detail. We do it because we want to grow the most honest, real channel and the best channel in the world. If that makes us the biggest channel in the world, that's the bonus. But we concentrate on you going live every day, sharing everything with you. Okay, Ali, so when do you think we'll start buying some crypto? Have you got any idea?
Well, we'll see how this pump plays out. We'll see if the next resistance levels. We'll play it by ear. I'm not here to say that we haven't bottomed or we will see more lows. We'll see how the market develops. Right now I'm in the category that we'll see a pump, and then we'll see a dump, and we'll see how low it goes and how the market structures develop, and we'll decide when to buy. I'm not trigger happy. I'm not going to buy the pump. I've got my own bags. I've got some XRP. I've got some Bitcoin. I'll see how that goes. But when it comes down to the portfolio that we want to keep long term, I don't want to keep trading in and out. So I'm going to wait for it to go lower, and we might see new lows, and we might start buying in then. And if I want to give you a time frame, it might be 3 months.
Ali, we're just losing some connection there for a moment. I'll just edit that piece out. We did have a question from Wild Prime who says they all show their portfolios. I want to be absolutely clear when I say others don't share the way we do. There are many YouTubers who share with you their portfolios, but a lot of it is entertainment portfolios. A lot of it is demonstration portfolios. It's not all their money. That's why I show you my actual bank account and tell you, with my hand on heart, you are seeing my entire wealth, my entire savings, all of my money. It's very easy to have a virtual portfolio demonstrating my trades if it's not my real money. This is all of my money. If it went to zero, I wouldn't be bankrupt because I don't owe any money, but I would have zero. And you know exactly what I have in the bank account. And the reason why I say that and why that's so important, because that reflects on your trades. It's very easy to say, I've got a portfolio that's gone up $1 million and, a created virtual portfolio. But if that was your real money, you would act differently. You might take it out because you want to pay your mortgage off, or you might, sell it, or whatever you might do. So this is real and genuine. So I just wanted to make sure that everyone fully understands that. And Wild Prime just said they never show you what they lose. No, because they want to sell you training programs. They want you to watch their channel because they're always making money. They're always successful. When the reality is 95% of day traders lose money. The same as 95%, 95.5 actually, and 95.5 it is, of YouTubers fail. They don't even exist today. So when you see YouTubers and you see content, you don't know the ones that have gone away and disappeared because you don't see them, right? You only see the ones that are successful. So there's a big story behind the story you never get. That's why we're trying to show you everything in a very transparent way. Ali, what's that you got on the screen there?
This is one of the charts I look into. It's called net unrealized profit and loss. You can see how it's calculated there, and it shows us normally capitulation time, times where we're in euphoria, greed, and right now we've just crossed into hope and fear. So there's a lot of hope and fear in the market, and we'll see how it reacts at these levels. This is just one of I watch all these on chain charts all the time. I'm always updating my positions. I'm always telling everyone on my Discord what's going on. I'm just providing information. It's not financial advice. We're showing everything live. The portfolio that Martyn has will always be shown on the channel. He's live up to 10 hours a day, showing you the channel. You can ask him to look at the portfolio, and if we're making money, you'll see, and if we're losing money, you'll see. So everything is out there. Not many people have the guts to do something like that. Not many people like to do that. All the big YouTubers, cryptos, or us, never does this. No, I don't know any YouTuber that does this. So we're keeping everything open, transparent, and it's a bit of fun. Everyone can see it. It's not financial advice, but if you want to see what we're doing, then join the Discord.
Thank you.
And I'm always.
Thank you, Ali, again for your wonderful content, and join us anytime. And it's always a pleasure. Thank you, Ali, again. There you go, Ali Tizro live on the show today. We've only got a few minutes to go before we get out of here. And one thing I want to say, it's very, very important today. It looks great, right? We've got some new viewers tuning in for the very first time, looking at all this, going up. Look, we're going up and up and up. Let's get one thing absolutely straight. This is my real money, and we are in a bear market. We've been in a bear market now, which if you're not familiar with the term, it means we're going down, essentially. We're in a bear market, negative sentiment right now, very opposite of a bullish market. Even though we're up, and we've been up consistently now year to date. Look at the year to date. 7% I'm up. This comes after a year of going down. We've got a bear market rally right now. I'm sure I will take some flack today for selling Rivian. I sold half of my Rivian, not all of it, half of my Rivian. I sold it when it just dropped that 1% there. I took profits. Remember, nobody ever went bankrupt taking profits. It's very, very important to remember that just because we're going up right now, this bear market, which we are in, is a bear market rally. We are in a bear market at the moment. That doesn't mean to say it can't carry on, because no one knows when the bottom of the market comes. Maybe the bottom has come. No one will know for 6 months, and then they look back and go, that was the bottom. No one knows. No one knows. But please, if you are watching this channel and you enjoy our content and you're looking at other YouTubers and they're telling you it's all going to be great, remember, most people have a YouTube channel for one reason only: to make money. I don't. I've toured 195 countries as the world piano man. I've performed all over the world. My aim, my legacy, what I want to do now is build the most honest, real channel in the world. I don't care whether I make money from my channel or not. I hope so. That would be very nice, because all the money I've got goes into my channel. But I'm concentrating on you, providing you the most honest, real service, because I want to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. And that's why I have 95% of my live viewers are paid members, because they love the channel and they support it. And the strength of this channel isn't me. It's you. It's people who are members. It's our contributors like Ali Tizro calling in, providing great services and experiences of their real money. And the strength of this channel is its members and the community. It's like being a government. If you like, I'm the president and I'm surrounded by the presidents, ladies and gentlemen. You are all the experts. I am just the guy who brings it all together. So anyway, thank you ever so much, Ali. That was great content today. We've only got 9 minutes to go. I have to get out of here. I'm going water aerobics this morning. While prime time, no, you are smart to sell. Rivian is going back to $14 soon. Well, I sold half my position. I'm happy. I would sell Tesla as well. Price cuts will kill profits. They're still making a good profit, unlike other EV companies that are losing money. Tesla are still making money despite the price cuts. Let's get that absolutely clear. Okay, we've got 8 minutes to go before I have to get out of here. If we can get to 100 likes by the end of the show, we will give away a cash prize. Let's click subscribe, ring the bell if it's your first time here. If you are not a member of our channel, please click become a member. Let me give you also smash the like button, guys. Here's the invitation to join. Let me give that in the chat right now. Now, a few nights ago, you saw me sing a premiere with Sir Paul McCartney. Tonight, I am doing a world premiere of for the Cold and Lonely. There are people around the world on their own, can't afford electricity or have no electricity if they're in Ukraine. I want to share this on the screen right now. It's my world premiere tonight. Join me after hours when the bell rings. Here it is. Go and leave a comment there now. Leave a like there now. Smash the like button. I'll share with you who's already done it. We've already got 7 likes. Look, there you go. Thank you very much indeed. And this goes live tonight. This gentleman here is Cold and Lonely, and I tell the story in this song. And I hope you will join me for the world premiere tonight on the Martyn Lucas Music Channel. All right? Okay, that comes up at the end of the day today when we close Ring the Bell. Okay, I commented on comment sections. Thank you, Mike. I knew you would. Okay, now then, let's see if we can get 50 likes. If we get 100 likes in the next 7 minutes, we'll give away a cash prize. Here we go. Let's bring up the clock. Are you ready? Let me share it right now on the screen, how many likes we've got on the video. Are you ready? Here we go. There is 47 or 48. Let's get to 50 likes. If we get to 100 likes by the end of the show, another 6 minutes, I'll give away a cash prize. It's free to enter, free for all. And is it original song? No, it's not an original song, this one. This is not an original song. I do have original songs, but this is not. This is all by myself. Tonight, that's the song I've used to tell this story. 47 likes, 18 seconds to go. Smash the like button. Let's get to 50 likes before the bell goes, before I finish the show. That'd be cool. All right, with 47, not quite there. Say my name once and I'll double like. You can't double like. If you double like, you turn it on and turn it off. It's Ozzy. How are you, Ozzy? Welcome. 49. There we go. Nearly, Ozzy. Ozzy, welcome to our channel. Hope you'll join us tonight for the world premiere. If you become a member during our show, many perks and benefits which benefit you. There's a reason why everybody is a member here. 95%, in fact, the highest engagement rate on YouTube. All right. I'm up 2.47 on the S&P 500. It's 48% of my portfolio. That's why. Virgin Galactic doing very well. I've got a small position, hoping it to go back down though. Virgin Orbit is going up. Blimey, my portfolio is pumping up now. Look at this. Look, at 1.32. Let me check my Roth. There we go. I'm positive now in the Roth. And if you look, it's J&J has now bounced back. So nearly all positive now on my Roth IRA. J&J, I bought a great discount this morning. I expect it to potentially go to $200 a share tomorrow. This is it right now. You can see I bought it all the way down at the bottom of that V there. So very happy with that. Great dividend. Company that makes profit. That's what you want. You want quality stocks. And as you can see, I am up now for the first time today on my Roth IRA. So my overall portfolio is now worth $38,543. We're not going to be long now before we get back to 40,000. Very nice indeed. Okay, just a couple of minutes to go. And we have to get out of here. 49 likes. We didn't quite get to, well, we only got halfway there today to our target of 100. Tesla, waiting for a dip. Lucid, doing well. Apple, doing well. Still out of the money by $3. Good dividend, though. Good growth potential. Amazon, we're out of the money by 2.7. Had a little bit of a dip this morning. I've got plenty there. McDonald's looking good. Coca-Cola looking good. Want to buy more? J&J, story of the day. We're going to see a nice bounce tomorrow. It's the earnings, and we are covering it live on our show. We cover all the major earnings. Tomorrow morning, before the opening bell, the earnings. After the closing bell, we are, of course, covering Microsoft earnings as well. Big day tomorrow, and then we got Tesla coming up later in the week. All right, Meta doing very well. I said it was the best value stock on the stock market. I was absolutely right. It has been. I sold it at the top. I would love to buy it back. This is a great company. It's going to pivot away from the metaverse. They're cutting costs in their staffing, in their staff costs. So this company has got a long way to run. It's massively oversold, but now it's starting to recover. All we need is a pivot from the metaverse, spending less money, and we'll be away. But anyway, red day tomorrow. All them companies made no money. All the companies made no money. Which companies are we talking about? 50 likes now. Right, I've got to get out of here. It's day trader of the day. Post your score on the screen. Let's bring everybody up to date very quickly. I've got 2 minutes. Let me quickly skip the ad if you see it. Here comes an ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. You can sponsor this space if you are a YouTube sponsor. You can be right there in that gap. And we are back. Right, so here we go. Day trader of the day. I am up consistently now this year, 1.33%. Up 1.33%. I'm going to put a minute on the clock. Post your scores. I'm out of here in 1 minute. We've got also to run the credits. So there we go. Who's going to be the winner? 1 minute on the clock. Let's go. Up 0.84. Nice. Fusion's up 4.3. Shad is up 2.83. Fusion's in the lead. William is up 3.21. Stephen Lewandowski is up 1.55. What do I think of HLBS? Is it HIBZ? Anthony, I have no idea. Know nothing about that one. Up, says Mike, 1.04, up 0.58. Join us on YouTube if you want to be part of the main show. Our winner then this morning is Fusion. I've got no time to run any more scores, so let's do it. Fusion. Congratulations indeed. You are our winner, 4.3. Thank you for your honest trade. Appreciate it very much. Me and Ali were talking about that the other day. Is that making you smile, Ali? Anyway, up 4.3. And of course, give him a thumbs up. And of course, give him the sound effects. There we go. Very nice. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations. Ed Nevius said, congratulations, everyone. Very good. Taking profits today. We're doing well. And that's it. We're out of here. Let's roll the credits. I'll see you back this afternoon for the closing bell. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Let's see what's going on. And the stars of our show. Thanks. Fireworks. Send it. Send it. I didn't get any super chats. There's no fireworks without super chats. No fireworks without super chats. You've got 30 seconds left. If you want to do a super chat, then you get the fireworks. No super chat, no fireworks. All right, there we go. Stars of the show, subscriptions, Himichi, Daddy Hassan 8, and Fight Channel. There could be many more. That's just the public channels that get seen. So let's have a quick look. Did we go any more? 6134, 6136. Yeah, 6 subscribers today. Very nice indeed. 51 likes. Very good. How many came through the stream? Let's have a quick look. 166, 193. Very, very nice indeed. Right, I'm out of here. I'll see you all back for the closing bell. Please go now and get your ticket for the world premiere tonight for The Cold and Lonely Around the World. I want you to share it on your social media. Mohammed Kahain is up 14%. Unfortunately, he was too late. There is the world premiere. Click on it right now. Kong and Kid just subscribed. Awesome stuff. We're growing faster and faster every day. Thank you, guys. I look forward to seeing you all back this afternoon. Have a wonderful afternoon. Take care of yourself. Get into the world premiere now, and I'll see you back for the closing bell. Between now and then, have a wonderful afternoon. And as always, take care of yourselves and each other.